You either shut it off or turn it down or...
Whatever.
Ooh.
What the hell did
What
you do?
You just broke your,
You just broke the plastic thing?
My teensy wine opener broke.
That's not good. Did you get that on video?
Yes, I did.
What did I say? Was it not good?
It says that's not good. Ooh, look at that.
Turkey.
Okay, this is Joshua's piece now.
Sweet.
I'm taking that.
No. It is a righteous feast. That it is.
Hopefully we can order parts for that.
And that's the end of it.